What's up, IT Ninjas? Hit the like and subscribe button if you have not already done so. Just take a second and really helps out the channel. Today we're going to take a look at installing the 1099 Pro software from the Sovos vendor. I recently had to install a 2025 multi-user application and the vendor documentation was subpar, so I made this video. If you purchased this software, you received an email with the download link and an attachment with the authorization code needed for install. This video is going to go over the steps to set up with a server client configuration in a domain environment using the 2025 version, 2 through 5 users. Download your version of the application to the server you wish to host. For the download link, I went to the 1099pro.com website, clicked desktop software here. Under support, downloads, this wiki link, and downloaded the version needed. I'm going to be using the professional installer. Both appear to be the exact same. Next, we'll run the installer. Click Next. Enter the activation code you received by email. Next, next, next. Choose web update for one shared network server only. Must be done first. Next. Leave the folder location default. Next, 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 and finish. 1099 will open. Click Next, 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 and add my first row. Enter the details for the file record and click Save. Then Next and Finish. After the local folder is created, I highly recommend creating a security group to govern access permissions. Just create a security group and name it appropriately. Here I've named it 1099 Pro App Access. And then add the individual users to the group as needed. Then navigate to your folder, properties, adjust the sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder, permissions. Change to everyone. We will govern the security permissions with NTFS permission settings. And under the security tab, add the 1099 Pro App Access security group you've created all the way up with modify permissions. Then switch to your workstation and run the installer. Click Next. Enter the activation code you received. Then Next. OK on the successful registration window. Next. Next. Select Client Workstation Installation All Other Machines. Next. Select Manually enter the web update network location. Enter the path of the server share target you created. This will be / the name of your server, Pro99T25. If you're watching this video for later versions, I'm assuming T26 would correspond to the 2026 version, and so forth. Click Test, OK. Click Next, Next, Finish. Then Next, 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 and then Finish. If at any time you see any permission errors on the client PC, confirm the user is added to the correct security group needed, and then log off and back in as the user. This resolves most issues. Thanks for watching, and hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know if this information was helpful installing and configuring your 1099 software. See you in the next video, and let's Ninja fix it.